else here thought this, but I always thought codependent really was about being dependent on someone. Like that's what codependency is. Like you can't function or live totally, wholly independently. And that's actually not what it is at all. What codependence is the inability to have an individual expression without over concerning yourself with what the reaction to that expression is. So let me break that down a little bit more. I know that I need help in a given situation, and that the way that I would naturally ask for that help is to, of course, be kind, but to be direct about it. My conditioning, especially if there's any codependence conditioning in you, which we all have as human beings, we all have some degree of it, would push me to essentially water down or soften or contort the way that I would ask for that help in order for someone to feel more comfortable. So it's like always the mental gymnastics of, am I going to feel more comfortable or are they going to feel more comfortable? And when we have a lot of codependence, especially in our communication style, we're opting more often than not to make others comfortable at the expense of our own comfort. And my vote, obviously the healthier vote to deprogram, to decondition yourself from some of this codependence, is actually to get way more comfortable with making people uncomfortable. One thing I'm actively practicing is saying the thing that I need or setting the boundary and anticipating the uncomfortable reaction. But knowing that every time I do that, I'm setting myself free from the cage of my own discomfort and not getting my needs met.